Hi friends, welcome to my channel Techno King Niraj. Please like, subscribe and comment my channel and share to more and more people because I make video on information and technology. So today's our video topic is how to make an intro on the Android mobile. So let's start. I will show you the top two apps for making intro. First app is wait wait. See, the first app is Intro Maker. This is the best app. It is takes time for loading. See, here are all the videos. Some of the intros are purchase a VIP pack. You have to pay the money, and by that you can make this awesome this fashion vlog. I'll show how to download it. First go in this download button and it's downloads, then I have not downloaded, then it shows this like tick, then click on it. See, now like this video is there. Now I will show you how to take a title. See, my name. See, Instagram Niraj Jadhav, Facebook Niraj Jadhav, Snapchat, Twitter, Gmail. Like this, many options are there. See, these are good for us. We are YouTubers, that's why it is good for us. You can make the small size and show it in one corner like this. Then I will show here. See, nice na? See how good it is. Upni Jadhav. See, sorry, I have clicked. See, click on this. Tick, then your this will be gone. This is designs. This is color. See, nice colors are there. It gives impression to your video. This intro gives impression, and the viewer says that no, this video is good, yaar. This video is good. See, music is also there. Intro. See, I have in my library. I will add this. See, I have added. If you want to add another, so you click on edit. Then if you don't want, so you can do. I will add this. Then click on tick. Then here is picture. Sorry. like this. It needs VIPR, sorry. Like this pictures, design, animations. Like this you can do. Then here is text. Then write in text. These are fonts. Nice video na. Then click. It will come in few seconds. See, it is exporting video. You should not close the app. It is downloading that time. See, it is downloaded. You can share to YouTube. It is saved to your gallery. Then you can see no watermark, share, merge. Like this you can do. So let's go in our next second app, last app. This is my legend intro maker. These are GIF option. This is my videos option. Here the videos are saved in the GIF. I will start here. This is the best, I think, for me. But it is silent, no song. See, gallery, photo, delete, back. I will go front. See, it is downloading. Wait. See, you can change the color of the background. Best app it is. This is good for like and subscribe. Nice, see. Wow, there are this much fonts. So which color you like you can do. Then here are the different types size. Nice now, very good at it is. I love this. Want to download? I will show you. See, wow. All big YouTubers use this app. They keep it secret. I am showing you. Please like and subscribe my video. This is letter 1. Means you N will come here. If you are starting letter will come. Wow. Trailer. I like this one. So I will download it. Click on it is download, share on WhatsApp, share on Instagram, share on WhatsApp. I will download. Save as video or save as GIF. I will save as video. See, it is downloading. It is downloading. Wait. It is downloaded. Now I will see. I have shown you. Please comment, share, subscribe, like my video and comment for the next video. I am making the next video on logo making app. Logo for your YouTube channel. I support you for making YouTube channel. In next video I will show you how to make a YouTube channel and how to make a logo. So bye friends. Bye friends.